Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a two-factor authentication on your Honeydue application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Honeydue app on your device. And if you haven't logged in, then proceed forward with your email address and passcode or enter your PIN code to continue. After you have been logged in, you will end up within the activity page. Now, if you wish to set up a two-factor authentication, then tap on More at the bottom right corner and then tap on Settings. From the Settings page, go into Additional Security and now you will find Use Two-Factor Authentication. Just tap on the toggle in order to enable it and you will now be asked to enter your phone number. Just choose your country code and then enter your phone number within the given box. You can then tap on Send Authentication Code and you will then receive your 6-digit code within your SMS. Just check this code and enter it within the box given below and then you can tap on Continue, which will now enable two-factor authentication on your account, which means that after this point, every time you wish to log into your Honeydue account, after entering your password, you will need to enter the verification code that will be sent to your phone that you just entered as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable two-factor authentication on the Honeydue Couples Financing app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.